We are here in Oak Grove Village, Missouri, opening our second Schnucks Fresh store, 23,000 square foot store in the greater Sullivan, Missouri area. It's built from the ground up, it's our design, and it's just a fabulous store for our customers.
The great thing was that we already had customers flowing in the door 2 hours prior. They were lined up at 4:30 this morning, so excited to get in the door. When we finally opened the door at 7 a.m., it took about 20 minutes for the full line to get down. It just really goes to show how excited the community is, how excited our team is.
Well, we had our traditional ribbon cutting and grand opening. Stacy is our new store manager here, and she's going to do a great job, and we're very excited about the prospects for this store. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Schnucks Fresh.
The store has been very busy. A lot of the community seems very open and welcome to the idea of coming in. But traffic has been awesome. The customers seem very pleased and happy that they're here and our doors are open. We're having people from Cuba and Stillville and the local communities around here, so they're driving to get here. It's been pretty interesting to see.
So Schnucks Fresh really is all about bringing fresh foods and all of our great services to communities, but in an overall smaller store package. So even though the store may be about half the size of a conventional store, we have a great produce department with all the fresh fruits and vegetables that you would expect. We fry our donuts fresh in store.
We sold out of all the donuts that we had in our case in 15 minutes. It's a real indication of how people are starving for good quality, fresh food. They can't wait.
I'm most excited for the teammates from Frank's Clark store that are now over here to this new building. Let them experience Schnucks the way Schnucks is meant to be.
Every community, big and small, deserves to have high quality food. This is a great test for us. How do we continue to grow and support smaller communities and nourish more people's lives than what we've done in the past?